And the people in the Leeward Islands breathe a sigh of relief as Hurricane Jose spared them direct hit with the eye veering just north of the island chain. But weather forecasters say Jose is still a tropical storm to watch.
Hurricane Jose, a near miss with Barbuda. Now, Barbuda took a direct hit from Irma. This is terrific news. I mean, they did have some impacts there, obviously, in the outer bands with the waves, and they were very close to those hurricane strength winds. Category 4 hurricane winds at 145 miles an hour still with Jose. Watch what this does. It's going to continue to the north. You might see some greater wave action on the south shore of Puerto Rico and a couple other impacts there with the winds, but it is moving out and not bothering anyone for now. But that is an important note because you'll notice this kind of weird part of the cone at the end. Look at the computer models looping it back around and basically staying in our lives, hanging out somewhere between the Bahamas and Bermuda all the way through next Saturday. This one is one to watch.